Alright. Hey guys, today we're going to quickly go over 3 types of market structure we are familiar with. So the first is up structure, which is known as bullish structure. For up structure, you need 2 highs and you need 2 lower highs. So, hold on a second. I'm trying to get this fucking pencil tool. Alright, so that's 1 high right there. That's the second high. A lower high and another lower high. So total 4 highs. So you need 2 lower highs and 2 highs in up structure. And ranging structure, I don't typically trade ranging structure, but you can. But when you're in ranging structure, you know, you have equal highs. Sometimes they go out the range. You can trade that however you like, but I don't trade sideways markets. And in down structure, you have 2 lower highs, 2 lows. Sorry, I was supposed to be 4. Just forget it. Just move all this. So yeah, as you can see, the difference in up structure and down structure. Feel free to screenshot this if you need to. You can save it for notes later. But when you're doing smart money trading or you're trading Wyckoff, you're gonna look for structure, and your structure needs to look like this. Now, what your structure shouldn't look like is if you're doing, for example, down structure, you wouldn't look for trades, for sell trades if you were doing this. Hold on. Like this. Okay, hold on. I am so sorry about that. Just give me one moment. So this, that isn't even the structure, but I'm just saying, if anything other than this appears on your screen, do not do down the structure or up structure. Sorry, up structure. It should look like how I have it right here. It shouldn't be like you have a low, a high, then a low, then you enter here before you wait for the next high. There needs to be 2 highs and 2 lower highs in up structure, and 2 lows and 2 lower lows. It can't just be 2 lower lows and 1 lower, you know, it has to be 4. So 2 of each. And then, like I said, we don't trade ranging. I wait for a breakout because a lot of retail traders are trading that, and I like to wait until I get my confirmation outwards. But that was just a quick video. This was actually a little longer than I hoped it would be. I just been really tired today, so the video's kind of been But yeah, I just wanted to quickly go over, you know, the 3 types of market structure, and that was it. And I hope I see you guys again.